J.O. Beats. J.O. Beats.
Ayan, ito ay surprise sa'yo ng Mama Jenny mo. Ayun, nasa yung Mama Jenny mo. Wow, Singapore. Ayun, bali, meron siya sa'yo bukod din sa mga pagkain at saka yung surprise. May pinadala din siyang card message para sa'yo. Babasahin ko na lang kung ano gusto mo kong magbasa. Ayun, ito yung message niya sa'yo. Ate Baby Dayan, happy 70th birthday anak. Enjoy your day and always remember, we are here at your back. I love you so much. You and your brother, and the most precious things to us, everything happy. Thank you so much for taking care of your brother. And happiness does not cost of a lot of money, even I am far away. Wow. I'm happy to see you happy on your birthday. Enjoy your life and enjoy your day. I miss you so much. Bonbon, Papa Willie, and Baby Dayan. Love, Mama Jenny. Ayan. Ito yung, tago mo na souvenir mo sa'yo. Ayan. Tapos meron din akong, ayan. Meron akong souvenir para sa'yo na mag. Tapos, maling dark, Baby Rain, Baby Surprise. Ayan, gusto ko, nakanta ka na ba nila ng happy birthday? Nakanta ko yan po. Tayo ngayon magkakantahan pa. Tayo ay happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Kantahan po natin si Baby Dayan. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you po, Mama, sa surprise. Hindi ko po alam na may ganito.
Unexpected.
I love you.
Ayun. Ayun, hello Ma'am Jenny ng Singapore. Nandito na po ako dito sa